Hi, I finished my mini project, my first mini project, and what I did was movie theater application, movie theater app, where the user can have a spinner button for choose from 3 movies and has the choices to go to the movie on weekends and weekdays at different prices for weekdays and weekends, and then the user will enter how many tickets wanna buy, and then the application will calculate how much the customer needs to pay. Trying to be ahead in the class, I read about the chapter 4, and I realized that this application could be work better with on a spinner radio button. Sorry, and I did work with radio buttons and also with an if statement. So my main XML file is just a welcome screen to Lab Cinema and an image and the button for buy the tickets. And then my second screen is tickets, where the customer can see the application title, a button and a spinner button for choose from 3 movies, and a couple of radio buttons where he can choose if it's a weekday, the movie would be $7.50 per person, and if it's in weekends, if it's on weekend, the price would be $5.50 per person. The user just need to enter the number of tickets he or she wanna buy and calculate how much will pay. The application do that. As you can see here in my main Java file, I just did the code for the button, and in tickets Java is where you can see here all my buttons. In this case, you can see the spinner button, a couple of radio buttons here, and as you can see, once the customer press the buy tickets or total do button, is gonna make the calculations for the amount that he or she needs to pay. And I use the conditional if statement for decided if the radio button is selected for weekday or weekend, and according to that the calculation would be different. If it's a weekday, the total due gonna be $7.5 multiplied by the number of tickets, and in weekdays is $5.50. Now you can see how my application is working. I'm sorry, I was testing my application, but this is the welcome screen, and when pressed buy tickets, it's gonna have 3 choices here for select the movie. It could be the Lego Movie, Ride Along, or Vampire Academy, and let's say that it's gonna watch Ride Along. It's gonna be on weekend, and they are 4 persons. Total due for Ride Along is $22. I didn't add any tax because I'm not sure if movie theater charge for taxes. You can try another one. Let's say is for weekday movie, and that would be 3. Oh, sorry. 3 tickets, total 22.5. And even for Vampire Academy, let's say it's the same weekend again, and would be 5 tickets. As you can see, it's working fine, and I use some of the classes that we have already studied, and I also add something from the next chapter, and that way I'm gonna be a little bit ahead just for my next project. Well, I hope you like it.